Morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Mark Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. It's Hump Day. It's March 23rd. Hey, we got just one economic data to go over, and that is the new home sales. So, as you can see, it kind of came in expectations. So, January had 494,000 new home sales. Forecast supposed to be at 515. It came in close at 512. So, it kind of in line with expectations. Stock market's currently down. Part of it, of course, we've been seeing oil price going up and down, and today happened to drop down to about $40 so far this morning. So, of course, that's pulled the stock market down. And also, of course, there's been some comments of late, even by Fed members Harker and Evans, and I believe Harker or Evans, I can't remember which one, to be honest. Is not a voting member, but they've all been kind of starting to say maybe it might be better to raise rates sooner than later. And the one member, Evans, I believe, is considered a dove, more dovish, and this is kind of getting investors to rethink about what their thoughts on when the Fed gave out their minutes or gave out their announcement, because to them it seemed to come out as a dovish tone, but the comments are being made raising interest rates sooner than later, and then one of them, I believe it was Evans, even said that maybe they should raise it 3 times this year. It started more hawkish tone. So now they're starting to reevaluate that maybe this isn't, maybe they are going to raise it sooner than later, and what things are to come. So that's kind of affecting the market a bit too. Also, as you may have seen yesterday, after the terrorist attack, the markets were down, but they did rally a bit. They weren't down that much, but they did rally a bit. So it seems like some of the geopolitical, especially the terrorism, aren't affecting the markets as they once did. Before we'd have the Dow down like 300, where yesterday it went down maybe 50, and then it came back and went positive. And some of them at least came in positive territory. I can't remember if it closed above. I think it just closed just slightly down, but still, it didn't seem to affect the markets as much as we've seen in the past. So it seems like they're becoming a little bit more immune to some of these terrorist attacks that have been out there of recent. Bond market, we're up about, as we see, the square box means that there was a pricing for the worst. So pricing did worsen a bit yesterday. We're currently about 12 basis points, which has been kind of climbing up this morning. We started off a bit closer to where we started off yesterday on the 10-day moving average, so now we're above it. But currently we're about 12 basis points. If this kind of continues, this could help us out and get a pricing for the better. So we should see hopefully a little bit better pricing a little later today from where we left off yesterday. All right, folks, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care.